You guys up for some Q&A? About car stuff?
Maybe. I'm kind of dumb, but we'll try.
Okay. Just about the car culture and kind of racing and stuff like that. You into racing?
Somewhat.
All right. Drag racing?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right. So what you got a car or what kind of car you racing?
C7.
Okay, cool. If you into drag racing, are you like a dig race guy or a roll race guy?
Dig race.
Dig race? Okay, I didn't expect that. Why do you like dig racing?
I don't know. I feel like it's easy to roll race. Anybody can
You
go
think
fast.
it's easier to roll race instead of... So you feel like drag racing starts from a stop, more or less? Right.
Dig?
Less on the tires.
No, I feel like it's more wear on the car for digs.
Right. That's
Digs
what.
are
See,
more
that's
wear.
that's what a lot of people say.
Yeah,
That's why this roll racing thing's gotten so
easier
big
on
now.
everything.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
so
yeah.
bam on your.
But anybody
Right.
can do a 40-roll, you know?
Right.
It don't
right.
take much to keep the car straight.
But you're down with old school drag racing.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Cool. I appreciate it, man. You fellas up for some Q&A?
Depends on what it's about.
About cars.
I don't know
Cars,
too much.
racing stuff.
I ride motorcycles, but we can try.
Motorcycles? All right.
We're doing it together.
Just trying to get everybody's touch on kind of like where the car's theme and stuff is nowadays.
Right, yeah.
You guys into drag racing? Any kind of racing?
I like it, but I don't be racing.
You
I
don't
like
be
to
doing
race,
it?
though, yeah.
Okay. If you're gonna drag race, would you be like a street race guy or a track guy?
Not the best answer, but I would like to be a street racer. Yeah.
Street racer?
Yeah.
Okay. If you was gonna street race, what car would you race?
Well, for my car, I would do a wide body, red eye Charger.
All right. What about you? Any car.
Come on.
I've always wanted a fast-ass 4-cylinder turbo car. So
Yeah.
I don't hate that. I had
like an
some.
all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. I don't hate that.
I mean, I'll probably lose. That's just the kind of car I
Right.
like.
My buddy's got a Mazda Speed 6, and it's
Yeah, there ain't no hate about that.
Oh,
Four
yeah.
cylinders are fast nowadays. So you said street racing. Are you kind of on the same side?
Yeah.
Street race versus track.
Oh, yeah.
So if you're street racing, are you a dig race guy or a roll race guy? Because there's this roll thing's getting all huge now.
Right, yeah. I think I'm
So-
going to go with the roll racing and the
Roll
Hellcat.
racing.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what's your opinion on that? Why would you want to roll race?
Just because of what kind of car I'll be in.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Not-
probably wouldn't do a roll if I was an all-wheel drive.
Yeah, right. It depends on what car.
Dig
I'm
race.
in. Yeah.
Dig race.
Dig,
Okay.
for sure.
10-4. Just going around trying to ask people the same questions,
Oh,
see
yeah.
where they're at.
Oh, yeah, we got
Everybody's getting into so many different things
Yeah.
now, and it seems like drag racing's kind of dying.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
So we're trying to find out where everybody's at with it.
Yeah, I got
You know what I mean?
Okay, yeah.
I appreciate it, guys.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
What's up, fellas?
How you doing?
Got a question. You down for some Q&A?
Sure.
It's about car stuff, so it's easy.
All right.
This your car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You into racing?
So I'm building a drag car.
A drag car? Okay, perfect. That's gonna be perfect for this. So if you're into drag racing, are you like old school drag race from a dig, or are you roll guy?
Dig.
Dig?
I like digs, but
Okay.
digs do cause more damage, I would
Right.
say.
A lot of people feel like that. So you're down with the old school drag racing. You're not really feeling the new thing going down with like the rolling and all that stuff,
If I had was like big single turbo maybe,
right?
so
got
like
you.
have something or do like rolling anti-lag. But honestly, my grandfather has a '69 Camaro drag car.
Yeah.
And, he did dig racing, and that's something I wanted to do.
Right. I got you. Just trying to get a touch base, like where everybody is nowadays. It seems like drag racing's kind of dying to me. You know, tracks are closing, and
Yeah.
you don't see a lot of the ones that are open. You don't see a lot of people coming out and racing no more. But you see a lot of street stuff. It seems like so. Just kind of feeling like what everybody's down with.
Which one do you prefer?
I'm a drag racer, old school.
Really?
Yeah, track race, dig race. That's where I'm at. Yeah.
Well, it's nice to meet you.
You too, man. Appreciate it, guys. What's up, fellas?
Hey, what's up, man?
Is this your car? Your car?
Yeah.
This will be perfect deal right here. You down for some Q&A? It's about car stuff,
That's
so
fine.
it's easy. I'm gonna say you're probably down with a little bit of racing and stuff like that.
I was in the past. I haven't been in a minute though.
I got you.
So.
It seems like racing's kind of all over the place and it's changing a lot today. Would you call yourself like old school dig drag racer, or are you like a street racer?
I mean, it was a little of both, but mainly like on the interstate doing rolls.
So that would be the next question. So roll racing. So dig racing versus roll racing. Which one would you pick?
It just depends on the vehicle I'm in.
Gotcha.
Like this one, unless you have slicks on it, you're not gonna do anything on a dig. So this would be a roll unless you had drag slicks on it.
Right.
So
So from me hitting all kinds of different tracks, I feel like drag racing's kind of petering out on the track, and dig racing for the most part. And it seems like roll racing is what all these younger generations getting into. Why do you feel like that's the case?
the biggest thing is because they keep closing drag strips.
Right.
There used to be back in the day. Used to be one in Covington, close
Right,
by.
right.
We had the one just Eatonton or whatever down there, and I mean they're closing them all down. It's not helping the cause.
Right.
So the only thing they're left to do is do it on the
street,
streets.
hit the street.
I mean, plenty of people have said if they open more strips, it would eliminate the issue.
Right. I feel you. I feel 100%.
But from what the younger generation's only seen, like the crazy stuff that's gone down, they didn't see it back how it was when we actually had, a drag strip where we could all go and meet up
And have fun.
They don't know that, because they've closed all the ones that are close by.
Right.
So, people get off of work late, they don't have time to go all the way up there to do
Gotcha.
it,
Yep. I feel that. That's a good answer. So other than that, you see like some people say they're afraid to race on the track or from a dig because they're scared to break their car or stuff like that. Do you think that's really a big thing, or it's just more along the lines of what you just said? There really ain't nowhere to go no more.
Being old school, it's you're all in or you're all out. When you hit that, if you're gonna dedicate yourself to doing a run, then you know what could happen at any time. I always ride by myself. If that was like when I do it, because I know if anything happens, I want it to be on me and only me. I don't want to hurt anybody else.
100%.
That's that's old school mentality.
Right.
Now these kids want to have everybody in the car for clout and videotaping everything, and if something happens, it's not good.
Yeah, definitely not good. Cool, man. I appreciate the information and your answers. Like I follow the Modern Street Hemi Shootout series and stuff, me and my son, and it just seems like it's the same crowd every year, over year, and it just doesn't seem like the sport's growing that much. So
I think it also depends on geological, graphical, your area and stuff, what there is. Back in the day, not back in the day, but even 10 years ago, it was easier to do meetups and races and stuff like that. Especially when those varsity meet was in Atlanta.
Yep.
Everything was alive back then, but the takeovers have ruined a bunch of stuff.
Right.
So that's what killed the car scene, if you ask me. That's a big part of it. Because now the cops
down
are
the
more
streets
stricter.
and doing donuts in the middle of the road.
They have drones and everything now, just because they do it for the clout.
Yeah.
So it hurts people that actually are here to have a fun time, meet each other, see each other's cars, and then do a run or something somewhere. Disclosed when there's nothing around.
Gotcha.
So.
Yep. That's a good answer, man. I appreciate the input. Thanks,
sir.
Yeah, man. Nice car.
Thank you.
I see that name at the track a lot on the windshield too.
Yeah, that's my tuner.
Is it? I figured that. What's up, fellas? That's your car?
Yeah.
I like it. Like a big old boat. Got a question for you guys. You down with some Q&A about car stuff?
Sure.
Are you into drag racing or any sort of racing or anything like that? Track, street, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, we'll play around a little bit.
Okay. Trying to get an idea like where this younger generation's kind of at today. It seems like to me, like I follow a lot of drag. We go out of state, we race a lot of different tracks, and it seems like to me it's not growing anymore. It seems like it's petering off. Would you say like you guys are like drag strip from a dig guys? Even if it's street, are you from a dig race kind of guy, or are you roll race guy, or where you at?
He's probably more roll race.
Yeah, more mess around on the highway if, you know,
Okay.
someone pulls up and stays level with you. It's like,
Right. Okay, I got you.
I must say, I was happy to hear about Atlanta Speedway.
Atlanta Dragway's coming back.
Yeah, the Dragway. I was happy to hear about the Dragway coming back.
It's supposed to come back.
Again,
they
we
said,
don't
for
have
sure.
many spots to actually do anything.
2.5 hours away from here, at least. Yeah. So yeah, it definitely sucks. So you say you would be more like a dig race kind of guy?
Yeah.
Okay. And you would be more of a roll race guy? So I feel like the generation today they're all kind of going towards that roll racing. Why do you like that?
Well, it's because I have a slow car.
Okay.
And I'm also manual.
Right.
So I can choose what gear and when I get my power and all that.
Gotcha.
So.
Okay. It makes sense.
Yeah.
So not really per se like you're scared to brake, because a lot of people say they're scared to brake their car. Like they think racing from a dig is worse on it for some reason.
I put holes in engine blocks.
There you go. Perfect answer.
So we're ones to break stuff.
Now, do you feel like if let's say there's a track 10 minutes away, would you still be a roll race guy no matter what, or
Oh no, I would love to take my car
to the track? So it really comes down to the factor like we just don't have nowhere to go anymore,
Yeah,
pretty
100%.
much. So you think that's kind of why the generation's hitting the streets a little harder and not participating in races anymore and stuff like that?
And again, exactly what happened with the Speedway. They're building so much everywhere that they're just. First thing is noise.
Right, yeah, and they shut tracks down or people
First thing is
complain and stuff
noise.
like that. Yeah, I got you.
I'd say.
Cool. I'm just trying to get a touch on everybody. Like me and my son, we raced the modern Hemi shootout events. They go like, Orlando, North Carolina, Michigan, all over the place. And it just seems like it's the same crowd every year, right? And it's not really growing. It just seems like the streets are staying more popular. And just trying to get a feel of if that's people's choice or just because they don't want to drive that far,
I also feel it's a lot of us is how locked on jobs we are at turn time. I really don't feel like we have as much free time as
Working more. Yeah.
some others.
Gotcha.
Let's put it that way.
That's probably the best answer. Really, don't have time for shit, right?
That's how I feel sometimes. I mean,
Yeah.
we're weekend warriors. That's
Gotcha.
what we get.
Right. But at the end of the day, if we had a closer track, it'd probably be
Oh, I'd love to
a
have
lot
some
better.
numbers.
Yeah, like the Brazelton one that just shut down, about like half a year ago now. Right across Atlanta Speedway.
Oh, they were trying to shut the
The
drift pit
Lanier
down.
Raceplex.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Because
I would always
Caffeine
go
and
there.
Octane or something bought it, and they do like drift there now or something, don't they?
Yeah.
At one point, they were trying to close the drift pit across the street, which was wild because that's one of our biggest. It has to be one of our biggest local events that people actually go to
Right.
around here.
Oh,
I would say that's actually probably the freshest event around here with actual fresh
Right.
faces
Yeah.
of people.
I haven't even been to that yet, but so they're trying to actually shut that down now.
So, as far as I know, it's been bought by a guy who's going to tear it down and put apartments there.
Oh crap.
But I've also heard other stuff that someone else bought it from him now. So I don't know what's
Okay.
happening with that.
So it's like every time we turn around, our shit's taken away.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate it, guys. Good answers. Just trying to get a feel for everybody.
Yeah.
Do what? It's huge. Yeah, it's awesome.